As Google's highly anticipated Pixel 8 launch approaches, a recent leak unveils live images of the Pixel 8 Pro, particularly showcasing the black obsidian color variant. These images surfaced on Facebook and the Google News Telegram account, hinting at a possible user base in Vietnam based on display text. The Pixel 8 Pro reveals minimal bezels around its flat display, a departure from the curved screens of previous models. Notably, the back features a matte glass finish, deviating from the glossy glass seen in earlier versions. This leak aligns with previous glimpses of the Pixel 8 Pro, offering consistency in design details. The three-camera array on the rear includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens. A 10.5-megapixel selfie camera graces the front. With a sleek matte sheen on the rear and narrow bezels, the live images affirm the device's authenticity. The Pixel 8 Pro is expected to launch in various colorways, including sky blue and porcelain, with an estimated starting price of $899 or £999. As the excitement builds towards Google's October 4 event, anticipation grows for the official reveal. Share your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace out.